According to the latest forecasts, the global population will have exceeded 9.7 billion people by 2050, which means that the demand for food will only increase. Ensuring the necessary food production volumes for such a large number of people requires the use of special means to protect raw plant materials, including pesticides. These are pesticides that allow farmers to achieve consistently high output yields, to prevent losses by destroying the pests and weeds, and to optimize the production costs. The pesticide production process is complex and requires the use of modern technologies and equipment. This is due to both the high cost of developing active substances and the complexity of synthesis and subsequent processing. The synthesis results in a concentrated liquid or powdered chemical compound that requires further dilution or reformulation for safe use. In order to address this task, GlobeCore professionals have developed a technology for mixing of constituents, which is implemented by means of USB-5 units. This equipment operates on a cyclic basis, which involves mixing of constituents in special reactor tanks with the use of a high-speed impeller mixer. Thereby, the USB-5 units allow for a full cycle of pesticide production, from mixing the raw stuff to obtaining a homogeneous concentrate or solution of finished agent. During the manufacturing process, a commercial pesticide may contain active ingredients to ensure the agent's effect, stabilizers to retain the properties during storage, solvents to adjust the viscosity, emulsifiers to form a stable emulsion, defoamers, preservatives, and other functional additives that affect the effectiveness and safety. The USB-5 unit allows for precise batching and uniform mixing of 2 to 6 constituents, which are fed through an automated batching system. This ensures a high quality and stability of final product. High-speed mixing and precise monitoring of all the process parameters allow achieving the product homogeneity, preventing the development of lumps and the separation into layers, which guarantees the quality and effectiveness of pesticide during use and storage. Other advantages of USB-5 units include wide capacity range. GlobeCore manufactures the equipment for pesticide production with a capacity of several hundred to several thousand liters of finished product per cycle, which is suitable for both large enterprises and mid-sized manufacturers. Compact dimensions, which make it possible to either set up new production facilities based on the GlobeCore reactor-type mixing units or integrate these units into the existing process lines. Flexibility. GlobeCore mixing units can be used to work with both liquid and bulk constituents, which ensures the ability to quickly adapt to different formulations and allows producing a wide range of agents with specified properties that comply with up-to-date market requirements. Work process automation. The operator just needs to select the ratio of constituents and put the unit into operation. The operator can observe the mixing process through a special sight glass. GlobeCore customers also use the USB-5 units to produce fertilizers of organic origin, including those with humic acids contained. And what other challenges is your chemical production facility facing? Share them in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore technology and equipment for pesticide production can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.